Hello students, standard 7th. Chapter 6 is going on in chemistry. The name of the chapter is Physical and Chemical Changes. We saw that physical changes are those changes in which only the physical properties of the substance are getting changed, like the shape, or the size, or the color, or the state of the matter, means from solid, liquid, etc. In which the new substance is not formed, means the substance will remain the same. For example, we saw that when we cut the paper into pieces and we can still join them together, put them together. So it is still a piece of paper. When you stretch a rubber band, it is still a rubber band, only its shape or the size is getting changed. When you press an inflated balloon, the shape is getting changed. So this, and also the ice turn into water, water into vapor, and so on. That are the physical changes. And in the physical changes, we saw that no new substance is formed. Substance remain the same, they keep their properties. Only the physical properties are getting changed. That are the characteristics of the physical changes. We also talked about the chemical changes. Chemical changes means when the new substance is made, when the one or two substances take part in a chemical reaction and they make one or two more new products, new things are made, then that type of changes are known as chemical change, or they are also known as the chemical reaction, in which, as I told you, new substance is made, means the old substances are getting changed, their properties getting changed, and the new substance are formed. And the most common chemical change is the rusting of iron. That also we know that when the iron is kept in the moist weather for a long time open, then there will be a brown layer seen on it. That is, the iron is getting converted into iron oxide, which is known as the rust, and that phenomena is known as rusting of iron. We also saw the activity of magnesium. When the magnesium ribbon is burned in the flame, it is burning with a white dazzling flame, and it turns into ashes. And that white powder ashes is the magnesium oxide. So now the property of magnesium oxide is totally different from the magnesium. And when that magnesium oxide is dissolved in water, then we taste it with the blue and red litmus paper. Then we saw that it turns the red litmus paper into blue, because it makes base or the magnesium hydroxide. Now let us see some another chemical changes. First of all, we will learn a chemical change, that is reaction between copper sulfate and iron. Copper sulfate is obtained in the form of the powder. So now first we have to make the solution of the copper sulfate in water, and then we have to check. Let's see. Dissolve about a teaspoonful of copper sulfate. The other name of copper sulfate is blue vitriol also, or Nila Thota. Its other name is Nila Thota also, or the blue vitriol. Keep these names in your mind, because it can be asked in the MCQs or the blanks that what is the other name of copper sulfate or blue vitriol is the other name of Planck. So these three names are the same: copper sulfate, blue vitriol or Nila Thotha. That represent the same thing, and it, when you make the solution in water, it gives the blue color. So now what we have to do, dissolve about a teaspoonful of copper sulfate in about half a cup of water in a glass tumbler or a beaker. Then you will see that it will give a blue color. The solution has a blue color. Now from that blue color solution, take out some solution for a sample, so that after you finish the reaction, you can compare it with the change will happen. So from that solution, take out a little solution in a test tube or in any other container. Now what we have to do, we have to take a iron nail, or you can use a used blade, that shaving blade also, or anything that is made up of iron. Best you can take an iron nail, kill it, and put that iron nail in the copper sulfate solution and wait for half an hour. Keep the mixture for half an hour, and after half an hour, take out that iron nail and watch the color of that solution also. Then you will see that if you compare that color of solution with that solution that you kept for the comparison, then there will be a color change. The blue color of the blue vitriol or the copper sulfate turns into green color. And when you take out that iron nail, then you will see that on the surface of iron nail there will be a brown layer. Brown something will be deposited on that iron nail. It means that here something chemical reaction takes place, due to which the color also changed and the layer, brown layer also deposited on the iron nail. So here what happens? Let us understand. Here you can see that when we put an iron nail in the solution of copper sulfate, means either blue vitriol or the Nila Thotha, that are the other names, then what happens? The color of it will change from blue to green, and the brown layer of copper will be seen on iron nail. Here you can see the picture also here. That first it was a blue color, and you put that iron blade or any iron nail. Then after half an hour, that blue color will be changed and it will look like this, a green color. And there will be a layer of brown thing on the iron nail or the used blade, iron blade, you put it in shaving blade. So here what happens, let us understand with the chemical reaction, chemical equation. So copper sulfate solution is a blue color, plus iron nail means iron. Then what happens? The new thing is made, that is the iron sulfate. And because of formation of iron sulfate, it has a green color. And therefore the color of the blue change into green. And that brown layer is the copper metal. When the copper metal is deposited, means the copper metal is getting separated, and which make a layer on that blade or the iron nail that we put it here. So the copper sulfate solution, which is blue plus iron, that gives you the iron sulfate, that is green, plus copper, that the brown deposit. So that is the chemical change that we understand, that when the blue vitriol or the copper sulfate solution and the iron, they have the chemical change takes place or the chemical reaction takes place, and which make the iron sulfate, whose properties are totally different from the copper sulfate. And the copper metal is also getting separated, which make a layer on the iron layer. So that is the another chemical change that we understood now. Now let us take another solution. Take about a teaspoonful of vinegar. Now we have to understand a chemical equation, another chemical reaction or the chemical change that takes place between vinegar, acetic acid. The chemical name of vinegar is acetic acid. Vinegar, everybody knows about the vinegar, that is taste sour, and we use it especially as a preservative in the pickles also they are used, and it is also used in some food items like when we make the Chinese Manchurian, and also when we make the onion salad. In onion salad also, along with salt, we throw some vinegar, acetic acid, સરકો જેને આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં સરકો પણ કહેવાય. So that vinegar, we have to take some vinegar, and in a test tube we have to take some vinegar and add a pinch of baking soda. Baking soda is also available in our kitchen, that is used for the baking, so that the products are making fluffy and so that it is soft. So that baking soda. So what we have to do, take about a teaspoonful of vinegar in a test tube and add a pinch of baking soda. So when you add that baking soda, you will hear some hissing sound like hiss, and you will see that bubbles of gas will come on the surface of that mixture. What happens? It means that here some gas is making. It means that gas is produced. It means that a chemical change takes place. And the bubbles are coming out, that is a gas is produced. And the name of the gas is the carbon dioxide gas, which is coming up on the surface, and therefore you will hear the hissing sound. Like you will actually hear the sound. You can do it in your kitchen also. Take some vinegar in a cup and little pinch of baking soda. It will be also available in your kitchen. You can ask your mother. So that then when you add that, you will hear that sound, and on the layer from the bottom, the bubbles of gas also will come out. And then if you pass that gas through the freshly prepared lime water, then the lime water, which is colorless, but after passing the gas, it will turn into milky white color. So now there are two here. The other chemical change also takes place. First, vinegar and baking soda. Vinegar and baking soda, they make carbon dioxide gas and some other substances that you don't have to know now, because it is very complex things that you will learn in the higher standards. So now you have to remember that when the vinegar and baking soda are mixed with, then there is a chemical change take place, chemical reaction takes place, and the gas is produced, that is carbon dioxide gas. So here vinegar, there is acetic acid plus a baking soda. The chemical name of the baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Its chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate. All the chemicals have some chemical names and some common name also. In common name is baking soda, but the chemical name is the sodium hydrogen carbonate. Here also, blue vitriol is the common name, but the chemical name is copper sulfate. All the chemicals have the chemical names also, and sometimes the general name, common names also. So vinegar, that is acetic acid, plus baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate. So when they are reacting with each other, then what happens? They make the carbon dioxide plus other substances. Means the carbon dioxide gas is produced and some other substance will be there. Now, if this carbon dioxide gas produced, you pass it from the freshly prepared lime water. Lime water means chunanu pani. Chunanu nitaryu pani. Chuno means when we use that for the whitewashing of the wall. That is chuno. That is also known as lime. And when we make that lime water and pass that carbon dioxide, lime water is generally have no color like our water. No color, colorless. But when you pass this carbon dioxide gas, from it some white substance are made. And due to that white substance, the color of that water will turn into milky, means it look like a milk. So now we will show that other also. So first we show that vinegar plus baking soda makes carbon dioxide plus other substance. But if you pass that carbon dioxide, whose formula is CO2, plus lime water, that is calcium hydroxide. Its other name is calcium hydroxide. So when we add that carbon dioxide into the lime water, then it will make calcium carbonate, CaCO3, calcium carbonate, which is not dissolving in the water and it is of the white color. And that particles of that white color will be moving in the water and therefore it look like a milky color. So therefore the carbon dioxide will turn that milky color of the lime water. So the calcium carbon dioxide plus lime water means calcium hydroxide will make calcium carbonate, CaCO3 plus water, whose formula is H2O. So by this method you can see that here two different chemical changes. First, vinegar and baking soda makes carbon dioxide and the other substance, and then carbon dioxide again when you pass it in the lime water, another chemical change takes place and they make calcium carbonate and the water also. That is, you can see in this also that when you pass that carbon dioxide in it, means here we add that vinegar and baking soda, and then we will close it with a one hold cork and pass a bent tube. Then what will happen? The carbon dioxide gas produced here will pass through this bent tube and will pass here in the freshly prepared lime water. Then because of that gas passing here, the water, lime water which is colorless will turns milky, and that is the formula we already learned about it. So here we see that the chemical changes or the chemical reaction are there. So when can you say that chemical changes takes place? You can see some observations like sometimes heat is also produced. Means when the chemical change takes place, if you touch the utensils or that apparatus used, you will feel that they are becoming hot. It means sometimes heat is also produced, sometimes color also changing, as we saw that in the blue vitriol or the copper sulfate turns from blue to green because of the chemical change. Sometimes what you see, sound may be produced, like we saw that hissing sound was there. And some gas is also, sometimes some smell also changing or some new smell also getting produced. When the chemical reaction takes place, any of this change can be there. A color change may take place or a gas may be formed. So whenever a chemical change takes place, then one of that observation also you will see that. Which are that, as I told you, maybe the color change, maybe a gas is produced, maybe a sound is produced, maybe the different smell are getting, or some new smell also can be produced. And that is sometimes heat, sometimes light, and sound, etc. also can produce during the chemical reaction. Here we are going to finish the session. In the next session we will learn some more chemical changes and so on. It will be followed by the PDF, and any confusion, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.